Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a home improvement company in Garnerville, New York. And this is how to repair cracks in drywall due to expanding joints. This is a simulation of two pieces of drywall that have expanded and formed a wide joint. Typically, these repairs would be made in ordinary fashion. You'd apply compound over the joint, filling in whatever's open. If necessary, and the joint's wide, we would apply paper tape over the entire joint by adding compound liberally. Now I'm going to apply paper tape over the liberally applied compound. So once the tape is dried, you'd apply another 2 coats of compound to finish off. This is how to repair cracks in drywall due to expanding joints. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, owner of Source Development, a home improvement company in Garnerville, New York.